Welcome fellas into this new video of TaxPress. Today I'm going to show you how to dive into Selzy, the intuitive email marketing platform designed for businesses from all different sizes. Whether you are new into the email marketing or looking for an easy way to manage your campaigns, this is going to be a really great tutorial for you. So to get started, first of all, let's talk about Selzy. So Selzy is a great user-friendly application tool that simplifies the process of creating, managing and analyzing email campaigns. It's a really perfect for beginners and offers a clean interface with powerful features to help you connect with your audience. So I'm going to hit into the link down below. They're going to be just to have in the description so you can get started and have your account totally for free here into Selzy, and you might be having a huge deal though. So to get started here, let's understand a little bit more about this great section. Usually you might be having to create your name, phone number, the industry you're going to be working on, and the company role. Once you hit now into continue, you'd now be prompted to get started with the dashboard. Now, understanding a little bit more about the dashboard. Here you can see that we have the dashboard where you can see we can create campaigns, import contact, create roles, and check out more analytics and more elements from here. The context where you can just check it out how we can all get started and adding more elements here. The campaigns where you can manage everything about your campaigns, the email from telegrams, the A/B testing and more templates. The automation that can help you to create different chains and automations for beginners. And the tools, of course, there are elements that can help you to, let's say, make some integration between one email, more application, and to even forms. It can help you to get started in here. Unsubscribed pages, unsubscribed reasons, and much more elements. Now they have implemented something new called the chatbot. Chatbot can be helping you to manage and of course organize your audience and people who want to communicate and sales yourself, and you can start an actual scenario to of course help the chatbot learn about more information of your branding. And lastly, there are integrations. Once again, the stuff that can be integrated into your campaigns and much more. So to use the drag and drop editor, let's start our very first email campaign. Into the left part, let's go for create a campaign, and let's go for something called email template. Into email template, you can see that we have a bunch of stuff that we can use totally for free. You might be having if you created using the link down below that I gave in the description, so you can check out more stuff that are totally for free. So let's start with the name. You go for the message subject, the template availability, the template owner, and the unsubscribed linked language. Now as you can see, we have the new editor, the block editor, and the template with your design. If you choose to create one from a template, you might be prompted to check out the new editor, but you can see that we have the drag and drop element, and of course you need to do this basically from scratch. This is the preview, the light preview how it's going to be looking my actual purpose. The upper side of my editor, on the right part you can see that we have the blocks. The blocks can be helping you to don't add element by element. So I can of course choose block elements, and as you can see I have more than 3 blocks. I have 4 different blocks and 4 more related block fonts. So choose the one that best suit for what you're actually looking for, and of course start by creating your element. For example, let's say that I'm going to be proceeding with one header. You can add something about content, you can add list, you can add buttons, you can add e-commerce element, more features, and you can see that your actual branding is going to be creating. And you can see that your actual email campaign is going to be generated automatically. You can add separators and much more elements as you're getting started. But basically, this is how we can do this in a very easy way. Now, if you wanted to start not from scratch, let's go back and let's start from an actual template. Now the AI assistant can be helping you to create an email starting from a choosing role we can assist you. For example, let's say that I have a subject line and a pre-header generator. So you can of course type the request of what you're actually looking for. So if you kind of like what you're seeing here, just select the title and automatically should be replaced. As you can see here it is. And the pre-header should be automatically edited. And now what you can do, let's say for example, is to add much more stuff as you're getting started. Once you check it out, your email campaign, and it actually looks into a desktop view, let's change for mobile view to make sure everything looks great as a mobile view. Once you're okay with it, let's go for save and exit. And you can start to create your new automations. So the automation can be helping you to do this process in a very easy way, and it can create email campaigns. So if you focus into campaigns, you can create an email template. and using the actual template that we currently chose in order to do this process. Once you have actually done this process, you can go back here into the dashboard so you can check out the analytics of how well is going on and what happens live with your email template campaign. Some other stuff that you can do for free with Selzy are, for example, the subscription forms, the check contactability, and the actual templates of the campaigns that were pre-designed for you. And lastly, the automations. The automations can be helping us to do this process in a very easy way, for example, from merchanting, from Black Friday, re-engaging, upsell, block reading, and much more. Once you choose one automation, you can see that we have the prompt of what exactly happens into the automation. So when some trigger happens, the action should be appearing automatically. And there you have it, guys. Those are a few elements of how you can get started for free using here Selzy. Once again, you have the link down below in the description so we can all get started early for free with a great application of the Selzy. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.